Let us make an aerospace hose together to see how easy it is to make a custom-built aerospace assembly. Begin by going to aircrafthosestore.com. There is a quick selector for all the hoses and sizes by clicking on the Make a Hose Now. With the hoses with attached fire sleeve in red, and without fire sleeve in black. For the fastest way to make an assembly, this quick selector will make quick work of multiple types and sizes of hose. You can also get to the assembly generator from the main menu at the top of the website. Simply select on Assembly Generator at the top menu, and select the style of hose you would like to build an assembly for. By selecting on, for example, the 666-667 style hose, you are brought to a page with all the hose sizes, with and without fire sleeve. For this example, we're going to create a 666-5 with fire sleeve assembly. We do this by selecting the highlighted 666-5 with fire sleeve link in the column. This brings up our custom hose generator. You'll see a graphic representation of the hose you're building and some fields to create the assembly you desire. Most, but not all generators give you a straight by 45, straight by 90, 45 by 45, 45 by 90, and 90 by 90 degree option. Select the configuration you want. For this example, we're going to select a 45 by 90. Next, select the length that you need your assembly to be in whole inches. For our example, we are going to be creating a 22-inch assembly. Simply select 22 in the whole inch selector. For exact length, you may need to add fractions of an inch. We're going to say exact for this example, but if you need an assembly that is 22.5 inches long, simply select the half inch, or whichever option suits your needs. Keep in mind that overall length is measured by seat to seat, which is the angled interior of the AN fitting, or center line, which is the center of the angled AN fitting. For a best explanation, please watch the video on how to measure by clicking the link under the measuring examples on this page. We purposefully chose two non-straight ends for this example because it will need a phase angle. If you have at least one straight fitting, simply skip this option as it isn't needed, but if you do have two non-straight fittings, you can select the phase angle needed for your assembly. As you select the different options, a graphic visual will show up so that you can guarantee the correct angle. If you do not see the correct phase angle, simply select Other, and in the next field, you can state the phase angle needed. For this example, we will select 45 degrees. We have provided a notes section, as stated before. If you selected Other in phase angle, please enter the phase needed here. You can also let us know any special requirements or certifications beyond the FAA-TSO certification that you would get standard with every assembly. For our example, we don't need anything additional, so we'll leave it blank. If you have an existing part number that you would like to reference, please enter it in the existing part number field. For this example, we will leave it blank. Finally, enter the number of assemblies in quantity and hit the Add to Cart button. You can change quantities in your cart too. Speaking of your cart, you can add notes to your order before checkout, such as shipping on your account number and special delivery instruction. This concludes the tutorial on how to create an assembly on Aircraft Hose Store. If we can answer any questions or be of help in any way, please contact us by phone, email or fax. All contact information is available at the bottom of our website. Thank you for your time and interest.